This is the prologue, this is the test of our real race, because this is the first time we will see a larger fleet together that we can really track and follow. So we had one small race in the Canaries with 3 boats. Now we have 5 boats participating in the Around Britain race. And I think we have to go back to the 80s and to find an event before the start of this race where that many boats actually met on the same start line. We will see a result now of the next days around Britain, and then all of them will go back to their team bases and they will work very hard on learning from those days, and then we will see how they twist that into their advantage when they come back in October in Alicante.